So we're having a bit of a sales shop video footage thing in February because we've got a few days coming up. So first up today is I'm going to run through the Iron Banshee again. This is up for sale. Price has been massively reduced by the customer to £6,995. And what you get for that is one of our bespoke frames. It's got a 2004 SV1000 lump in it, fuel injected. So you have an air box up there, which you can't see, but it's lovely sculptured. We've got KTM wheels. This is actually a fuel tank off of a CB750, but it fitted the lines on the frame perfectly. Complete custom rewire with motor gadget systems, not motor gadget indicators, but certainly there's a digital speedo, rev counter, set of our girder forks on the front, which runs a Hagon shock. I've had this up out on the road and I've had it up the 1/8 of a mile, and I can confirm that she goes like shit off a shovel and grips like you just wouldn't believe. You get the gist of what she's like. There's footage of it on our YouTube, on our Instagram of me riding it and riding it. So if everybody wants to pop down and see us, give us a call, an email, and we'll book you an appointment, because we only do appointments only down here because we're usually busy in the workshop. But this is a little sneak preview of what we've got in the toy shop. So yeah, give us a call. Cheers. Oh, she spits flame!